next on the list, we have, of course, Meghan's win, the court case. So Meghan, as we know, won the ruling on the Mail on Sunday privacy case. This is Associated Press, and basically she won back in January, I think it was. Was it March, January? And then the Daily Mail, Associated Newspapers, appealed. There was new evidence came to light about that the letter was not supposed to be private. That it was always written with the intention of being read by the public. That it was constructed in a certain way. There are texts and emails supporting that claim. Anyway, the judge today basically said it makes no difference. They accepted Meghan's apology, but it may be short-lived because the Daily Mail are already talking about perhaps taking this a next step to the highest step, to the Supreme Court. So we don't. Basically, the Daily Mail want a full-on trial. They want all the evidence seen, heard, and then a jury to kind of come up with what they think the answer should be. And obviously, they think that it wasn't breaching privacy. Basically, the bottom line is Daily Mail were right within their rights to publish a certain amount of the letter, but not to the extent they did. So, in other words, they published too much, more than what they needed to prove the point they were trying to make. So that's why they decided to side with Meghan, and that's kind of it, really. It rumbles on. So if Meghan's celebrating tonight, good on you, girl, but it could potentially be short-lived because I think this will rumble on. I think Associated Newspapers have the money, they have the resources to do this, and I don't think they're going to let sleeping dogs lie. I think they're going to continue carrying on all the way through. Kate says, I did hear that the Daily Mail still wins by bringing all this stuff out. They're still getting headlines out of everything, but only they would know what is worthwhile financially. I think they're just making a point. Even if it costs millions and millions and millions, I just think they want to make a point. They want to take this as far as it goes. And the one thing that all of this hasn't, even though Meghan's won, it hasn't done her or Harry any favours in terms of their image. Basically, all these revelations have showed that there have been lies, that there have been cooperation with, for example, Omid Scobie and Carolyn Durand in the writing of the book. So there has been this kind of effort to try and control the narrative from their side, of which they denied having done. There is also, evidence now to support that Meghan did sort of suspect that the letter may have been leaked by her father or someone else. So I don't think it's done the Sussexes any good in terms of image. I am going to leave it here for this week. As always, leave your comments and thoughts in the comment section below. If you do have a question of any kind, please leave that as well. So thank you so much for watching. From me in Shropshire, mwah, to you all.